The bearish tweezer or the tweezer top. A tweezer top is when two candles occur back to back with very similar highs. This pattern is more important when there is strong shift in momentum between the first candle and the second candle. For trading purpose, these patterns are best used to indicate the end of a pullback, signaling a trade in the overall direction of the trend, which means the market is going to change its direction. A stop loss can be placed above the tweezer top or the bearish tweezer. However, no pattern is perfect, and a tweezer pattern doesn't always create a reversal. Use the candles that occur after the pattern to confirm short-term reversal signals. Practice both spotting and trading tweezers before initiating tweezers trades with a real capital. Thanks for watching. See you on another video.